Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of financial data pouring in from every corner of your business? Invoices, receipts, bank statements. It's enough to make your head spin. And let's not even talk about the dreaded task of compiling those mountains of information into accurate and insightful financial statements. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Xero, a cloud-based accounting software that's revolutionizing how businesses manage their finances. Specifically, we're tackling the burning question. Can Xero actually generate those all-important financial statements? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand why financial statements are such a big deal. Think of them as your business's report card. They provide a snapshot of your company's financial health, revealing crucial information like profitability. Are you actually making money? Solvency. Can you pay your bills on time? Liquidity. How easily can you convert assets into cash? Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions about your business's future. Should you invest in new equipment? Are you ready to expand? Or perhaps it's time to cut back on expenses. So, can Xero help you with this critical task? The short answer is a resounding yes. Xero is designed to streamline the entire accounting process, and generating financial statements is a core feature. Here's how it works. Automatic data entry. Xero can automatically import bank transactions, reconcile accounts, and even categorize expenses based on rules you define. This eliminates manual data entry, saving you countless hours of time and reducing the risk of human error. Real-time reporting. Forget about waiting days or weeks for your financial statements. Xero provides real-time updates, giving you an accurate picture of your business's finances whenever you need it. Customizable reports. Xero offers a wide range of customizable reports, including profit and loss statement, shows your revenue, expenses, and overall profitability. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash in and out of your business. Aged receivables/payables helps you monitor outstanding invoices and payments. Easy to understand dashboards. Xero provides user-friendly dashboards that display key financial metrics in an easily digestible format. You can quickly identify trends, spot potential problems, and make data-driven decisions. But that's not all. Xero also offers advanced features for more sophisticated reporting needs. Budgets and forecasts. Create budgets, track progress against those budgets, and even generate forecasts to predict future financial performance. Inventory management. If you sell physical products, Xero can help you track inventory levels, manage purchase orders, and calculate the cost of goods sold. Multi-currency support. If you do business internationally, Xero can handle transactions in multiple currencies, making it easier to manage your global finances. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sounds great, but how user-friendly is it really? Xero is designed with user experience in mind. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those with limited accounting knowledge. Plus, Xero provides excellent customer support resources, including online help articles, video tutorials, and a dedicated support team. But let's be honest, choosing the right accounting software is a big decision. So, before you make the switch, consider these key factors. The size and complexity of your business. If you're a small business with simple accounting needs, Xero might be overkill. Your budget? Xero offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs. Your preferred level of integration. Xero integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications, such as e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, and payroll providers. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Xero is the right fit for your business is to try it out yourself. Xero offers a free trial, so you can explore the platform and see firsthand how it can simplify your financial management. Xero is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your accounting processes and provide you with the insights you need to make informed business decisions. While it may not be the perfect solution for every business, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a cloud-based accounting solution that can help you grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.